guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to mirror your laptop screen to your monitor. So as you can see guys, I have the laptop. So now I want to mirror this screen in my monitor. You need to have the HDMI port on the both laptop and monitor. So let's see the HDMI port is available or not in my monitor and in laptop. So in my laptop there is HDMI port, as you can see guys. Same, you need to find out the HDMI port in your monitor as well. So there is HDMI port available in my monitor as well, as you can see guys. Now you need to have the HDMI cable to connect the laptop and the monitor. So as you can see guys, I have HDMI cable. Okay, now you need to connect the one end to your monitor and another end to your laptop. So I will connect it here like this properly. Okay, and another end of your HDMI cable you need to connect on your monitor. Okay, properly like this, as you can see guys. So after connecting, it will automatically detect your laptop screen to your on your monitor. If the screen is not detecting properly in your Windows laptop, here you need to do some setting. Go to your Windows settings, go to system and go to display. In the display, here you need to select the option duplicate this display and scroll down and find out 100% recommend setting. You need to select the recommended setting in the display setting. That's it. So this is the proper way to connect your laptop screen to your monitor. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.